Today for vocabulary, we're going to discuss words that name places. Our learning target says, I can identify and name nouns that name places. Nouns are words that name people, places, animals, and things. Nouns that name places tell where something is happening. Let's read this sentence together. Max reads books at school. School is a noun that names a place. The next sentence says, school is a place where you learn. Look up meanings of nouns you do not know in a dictionary. Let's take a look at some more examples. Example number 1 says, people at the agency help kids with their homework. Agency is a noun that names a place. Number 2, they moved into an apartment. An apartment is a word that names a place. It is a noun. Number 3, Tyla lives in the yellow house. House is a word that names a place. Number 4, we play soccer on a field. Field is a word that names a place. It is a noun.